Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Sam Mojica Jr., and I'm going to be doing a live testimonial / case study on Michael Soroy's. So now let's jump straight to it. I'm going to make this a little bit different. I'm actually going to show you my results. I'm the type of guy that I'd rather just show results instead of talk. So now this is my Click Magic account. I'm going to show you my results so far with Michael. Let me refresh my page, just so you know I'm not up to any shenanigans, right? I know how people fake those screenshots. So now, as you see here, so far, I've gotten 708 clicks. I've gotten a 32.6% opt-in rate. I've gotten 4 front-end sales and a couple more back-end sales. I've got a couple upsells that went through. If I go inside of my Aweber account, let me just refresh this just so you guys know it's my real Aweber account. As you see here, I'm averaging near 100 subscribers a day. As you see, he just gave me a ton of advice. And he literally said just because he likes to help people, and he gave me a gold star and everything. He's really cool. And now if we go to the openers list, all right, my list is segmented thanks to Michael. So that way it deletes any subscribers who don't open your emails. And the ones that do open it frequently, it moves them to a separate list, which has been super helpful. These are your buyers, right? So as you see, every single day, my open rates have been getting higher and higher. I'm probably going to expect by the end of this whole follow-up series, I should have 30 to 50% open rates from my openers, as Michael calls them. And finally, I want to show you my PayPal. I'm gonna refresh this page so you just so you know, there's no shenanigans. This is my PayPal, right? Thanks to everything Michael has taught me, I'm actually averaging sales every day, about 3 to 5 sales of $25 a pop. All right, thanks to what he taught me about list segmentation and what he taught me about, how to get more opens and all that stuff. Guys, it works. I didn't want to just talk. I wanted to actually show you my results. Michael is super responsive. He's awesome. And just a little short to Michael. Michael, thanks a lot for helping me out, man. I know that one of my dreams, one of my goals is to build a big email list and actually live off of my email list. And thanks to you, I can actually see that becoming a reality now. My first goal is 10,000 subscribers, and I think I'm going to reach it in a couple months thanks to you. So thank you, Michael. If you're watching this testimonial, I really highly advise you buy Michael's stuff. All right, it works, and do not take my own word for it. All right, take my results word for it. All right, take what I just showed you as proof that you're in good hands. All right, thanks for watching. Take care.